Hi, this is Punitavali Devraj from Informatica GCS. We are going to talk about TIBCO Spotfire Resource in CDGC, Cloud Data Governance and Catalog. This is part of November release. Here's the agenda. We'll be going over the overview of TIBCO Spotfire, objects that can be extracted into CDGC from TIBCO Spotfire source systems, the prerequisites that are needed to configure the TIBCO Spotfire, lineage, and a demo. TIBCO Spotfire is a business intelligence tool that you can use to explore the data through dashboards and advanced analytics. This is both supported by Windows as well as the Linux agent. TIBCO Spotfire catalog source is used to extract the metadata from the TIBCO Spotfire source systems. Here are the objects that can be extracted into CDGC from TIBCO Spotfire. So the metadata command center MCC is used to extract the following metadata from the TIBCO Spotfire source system. Some of the important objects to be extracted are database, documents, folders, schema, tables, views, reports, and so on. So regarding the prerequisites that are needed to configure the resource, the first would be the server URL. So this is nothing but the TIBCO Spotfire server URL. And the next comes client ID and the client secret, which is the OAuth client ID and the client secret. The download user and the download password. So these are required only in the versions 11.X plus, and this is not a mandatory field. This is used mostly for the permissions for the user, which needs to download the reports or the DXP documents. We have to install the secure agent either on the Linux or on the Windows machine. Assign required permissions to your user to download the DXP documents. And to extract the TIBCO Spotfire metadata, we would need the account access and the read permissions to the TIBCO Spotfire source systems. Coming to the lineage, we can perform the connection assignment to reference source systems to view the source system objects. And to perform this, we have to create the catalog sources for each of these reference source systems that we wanted to connect to. So creating these catalog sources and running those catalog source jobs for the source systems that TIBCO Spotfire references to view the lineage. We have to make these connection assignments in the Monitor tab. The reference catalog source must belong to the database class type. Data lineage is available for the following TIBCO Spotfire source systems assets at the dataset and at the data element levels. Here is the quick demo. To create the TIBCO Spotfire resource, go to the metadata command center, click new, and then search for TIBCO resource. I've already created one here. Provide the name for the resource and then the server URL, which is used to connect to the TIBCO Spotfire, the client ID and the associated client secret, download user and download password. In the configuration, provide the runtime environment. In filters, we are including the filters which is based on the documents. If we give the folder, it will have all the documents or report and other objects that we need to extract in the resource. Configuration parameters, these are the generic options that is already available. When you click run, I've already configured a same resource. This will extract the metadata, and here are the metadata that has been extracted. You will have database, document property, there are 39 documents, and then 39 reports. I've extracted all the objects associated in the folder. The extracted objects can be viewed in the data governance and catalog. This is the resource that was scanned, and we are able to see these many objects that are extracted. Now, in order to view the lineage, we can generate reports or dashboards by connecting to different sources such as Oracle, Teradata SQL, which we can connect using Spotfire. We can see the connection assignment in the monitor page. Here, we can select the particular connection, and we can click on this assign to assign it to our TIBCO resource. I have already assigned it, and you can see the connection assignment task completed. After this is done, we can see the lineage of that particular report. If we click on the lineage tab, we'll be able to see the lineage at the dataset level. Here, this is a report, and this will have the associated tables in it. If we want to view the lineage to data element level, we can able to see the entire lineage generated. One thing to notice, for each column, we'll be able to see the lineage from the expression mapped it to the column level. To see the relationships, we can see that the report is associated with table, field, analysis document, document property, and expression. Here are the references that we have attached. This document will tell all the asset details that can be exported from TIBCO Spotfire. And here is a KB article which talks about how to generate the client ID to connect to the TIBCO Spotfire server. We would love to hear feedback from you. Thank you.